In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to work on your ankle eversion. So I'm on a massage bed here, and for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do it essentially with gravity being your resistance. So I'm going to pop my right foot on the edge of the bed, and then from there my ankle is going to be coming down. So that's going to add some just general gravity and resistance to this eversion exercise. So I've got my ankle here completely relaxed. You'll notice again that my toes are pointing almost directly away from me. In this position, to work eversion, which is out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my foot up first, so it's almost pointing in the direction of the ceiling. From here, I'm then going to take my ankle, because I don't want the hips to do the work. And eversion is simply bringing the ankle in a position where it is coming further away from the midline of the body. So in this position, you could see I'm working my ankle and bringing it further away from me. Now, the cheat that a lot of people do is they'll start doing eversion and they'll start doing this, where the knee's moving, maybe even the hips moving, the femur. So we want to keep the foot in a position where it's just the ankle working and have the hands either on the thigh or on the knee, really supporting those joints to make sure they don't get involved in the ankle eversion. So let's go through that one more time. You've brought yourself into this position. We point the toes up, which is called dorsiflexion. And then from here, we're going to keep that position, come into eversion and repeat for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. That's how to work your ankle eversion with gravity being your weight.